Well, I got to drive my 124 just one last time today. Look at what it's doing now. So this marks the end of my holidays. I can no longer drive my 124. So let's get into this door and see what exactly went wrong. Undoubtedly, it's the regulator. It's never been touched, it's never been lubricated. I don't think this door has ever even been opened. First of all, let's get all of this stuff off so the trim can be removed. Once everything is disconnected that's holding the trim down, it's simply a case of sliding the whole trim upwards. It's got hooks all over it, and it's not pulled outwards, it's pulled straight upwards. It's secured a bit more tightly on the top, so special care has to be taken to make sure it doesn't break. Here we can see the offending right rear window regulator, and you can see that the cable has broken away from the middle sliding piece, which is no doubt a typical fault. The middle sliding piece is made by plastic, and that's what secures the ends of the cable. No doubt it's some kind of safety feature to break away in the case of fingers being jammed or you needing to force the window open. To remove the glass, I unclipped that black clip piece at the base of the window there, and if you slide the window to the right hand side when it's all the way down, the regulator comes out of the bottom of the window. And to hold it in the upright position, I simply use sticky tape. Ideally, you should use masking tape or something a little less dangerous, because no doubt this is going to leave residue and possibly even peel off the paint, so I'll have to be very careful when I remove that later. So now it was time for me to proceed to removing the regulator. As you can see, I've already removed the 3 nuts on the motor assembly. What you may not have seen is I've also removed the upper and lower bolts on the rail that goes from the top to the bottom of the door. That's all there is holding it in. And obviously these electrical connections as well. This white piece simply unclips, there's no need to destroy it, and then you can remove the cable and feed it back through the door. And then the whole unit is ready to slide right out. Here we can see up close the lift cable has broken away from the middle plastic sliding piece. This doesn't appear to be repairable, but from my initial inspections on eBay, it looks like you can buy the regulator alone without the motor. No doubt it's aftermarket and probably made in China, but I don't really care. As long as I can reuse the original OEM motor, I think I'll be happy with that. I don't really drive this car often enough to warrant having a genuine several $100 regulator that honestly never gets used. Today was the first time I actually opened the rear windows in a very long time, and it shows.